Every year, millions of banana plants complete their life cycle after producing just one harvest. Once the fruit is collected, the thick green stems are usually cut down to make room for new plants. For decades, these stems were treated as nothing more than agricultural waste. But hidden inside every banana stem is something surprisingly valuable. Strong, natural fibers run through the entire plant, protected by layers of soft, water-rich tissue. Modern factories have discovered a way to recover these fibers and transform them into sustainable materials used around the world. Our journey begins in vast banana plantations, where workers carefully harvest mature stems shortly after the bananas have been picked. Timing is important because the fresh stems still contain plenty of moisture, helping preserve the quality of the fibers inside. The heavy stems are gathered into bundles and transported directly to a nearby processing facility. As each truck arrives, workers inspect every load, checking the stems for freshness, size, and overall condition. Only healthy material moves forward into production. Inside the preparation department, powerful hydraulic cutters divide the long stems into manageable sections. Rotating cleaning brushes remove soil and loose plant material before high-pressure water sprays wash away any remaining debris. Now, the clean stem sections move steadily toward the heart of the factory. Ahead is the stage that completely changes everything. Large extraction machines begin separating the hidden fibers from the soft plant tissue, revealing long golden strands that were invisible just moments before. This is where agricultural waste begins its transformation into one of nature's most versatile textile materials.
After weaving, the banana fiber fabric is already strong, but it still needs careful finishing before it can become a premium textile. The fabric first passes through industrial washing systems that remove loose fibers and any remaining natural residue. Powerful squeeze rollers gently remove excess water without damaging the delicate weave. Next comes a long drying tunnel where warm, carefully controlled air removes the remaining moisture. As the fabric leaves the dryer, it becomes lighter, more stable, and ready for surface finishing. Large polishing and calendaring rollers smooth the fabric, creating a more uniform texture while improving its appearance and feel. Precision laser scanners continuously measure thickness, while automated vision systems inspect every meter of fabric for even the smallest imperfections. Only material that meets strict quality standards continues to the final stage. The finished fabric is carefully rolled, wrapped, labeled, and transferred into climate-controlled storage before shipment to textile manufacturers. From there, another transformation begins. Large fabric rolls are cut into precise garment patterns before skilled workers assemble shirts, jackets, bags, and home textiles using modern industrial sewing equipment. What started as a discarded banana stem has now become a durable natural fabric with countless practical uses. Instead of being burned or left to decompose in the field, the entire plant has been given a second life. It is a remarkable example of how modern engineering and sustainable manufacturing can
strength is below the acceptable limit.
Alright, reject this batch and log the failure. Aligning beam 5 degrees port.
Confirmed. Locking sequence initiated.
There's the defect. Cut it right there.
Okay.
Got it. Let's run this through the sealer now.
The durability metrics look promising. Agreed. The banana fiber exceeds expectations.
Check the weight variance on pallet 7. It's within the acceptable range. I've logged the clearance. Looks like the ASRS is clear for the next batch.
Confirmed. The fibers are secure.
Okay, set it right there. Perfect. We need those straps secured tightly now.
From agricultural waste to premium textiles, this is the future of sustainable production, bathed in the warmth of the setting sun.
Okay, easy now. Bring it back slowly.
The strap is secure. Let's get the next one. Everything seems to be in order with the shipment. You may proceed. Next truck, please pull forward for inspection.
This stitch needs reinforcement, but otherwise the quality is excellent. Understood. It meets the standards.
The extraction flow seems restricted. Check the valve alignment. Aligning valve G14.
Status check complete. All systems are fully operational.